Rachel Reeves is preparing the most anticipated UK budget in years. But behind the speeches, behind the promises, and behind the political calm, a storm may be forming. Some analysts warn that this budget could unleash a chain reaction that Britain is not ready for. Today, we're diving into the risks, the warnings, and the hidden economic pressure points that could send shockwaves through the UK economy. Publicly, Reeves promises stability. Privately, insiders say this is shaping up to be one of the most aggressive fiscal resets in a decade. A budget built on investment, reform, and fiscal responsibility. But when you dig deeper, things look a lot more complicated. Because right now, the UK is sitting on the highest tax burden in generations, weak growth, high borrowing costs, and a global economy on edge, and into that mix comes one of the boldest budgets Britain has seen in years. Reeves argues the UK must invest to grow, but the timing could not be more dangerous. Government borrowing costs are near 15-year highs. When debt is expensive, every spending plan becomes a gamble. Economists warn that even a slight overshoot in borrowing could spook markets. And we all remember what happened during the mini-budget meltdown. If markets panic again, the pound drops. Interest rates rise, debt spirals, and the entire UK economy feels the shock. On screen, rapid cuts of falling pound, rising yields, newspaper headlines. To fund her plans, Reeves may adjust taxes, not necessarily up, not necessarily down, but strategically shifted. But here's the danger. Households are already squeezed. Businesses are fragile. Growth is barely moving. Any tax change, even one intended to help, could hit at the wrong time and tip parts of the economy into slowdown. For weeks, global investors have been watching the UK closely. The mini-budget of 2022 didn't just vanish from memory, Woiki. It rewired market behavior. Now, any sign of uncertainty could trigger rapid sell-offs or sudden spikes in borrowing rates, and Reeves' budget, depending on how bold or unexpected it is, could be the spark. If everything goes wrong at once, if borrowing overshoots, if markets panic, if growth slows, the UK could enter a period of stagnation. Higher debt, lower investment, falling confidence, weak growth, a pound under pressure. This is the nightmare scenario some analysts quietly warn about. It doesn't have to happen. There is a best-case scenario, and it's big. If Reeves balances investment with discipline, if the budget reassures markets, if the long-term spending leads to real growth, the UK could finally enter a period of stability after years of turbulence. Lower volatility, steady growth, healthier public finances. The truth is simple. Rachel Reeves' upcoming budget could reshape Britain, for better or worse. But the risks are real. The pressure is enormous, and the margin for error has never been smaller. So what do you think? Is Reeves about to stabilize the UK economy? Or accidentally set off a chain reaction? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more breakdowns on global finance, you're in the right place.